Some nights dinner is less of a plan and more of I'll do the best I can. And this was one of those nights. We had a bit of everything left over. A bean salad from earlier in the week, part of a summer squash we roasted from a massive one in my mom's garden that we still hadn't finished, fonio for a base, and a quick spicy tomato sauce that we threw on top, plus a scoop of guacamole because why not? It's the kind of meal that kind of reminds me how forgiving food can be. Not every dinner has to be, gourmet or extravagant. Sometimes it just needs to come together.